Today, we're going to talk about sneeze guards that we produce them here in our Glendale facility. This is my brother Sam. If you have to interact with people on a daily basis, these sneeze guards will help to protect from germs if someone sneezes or coughs in front of you.
Our sneeze guard is made of quarter-inch thick acrylic. We have 4 different sizes. This is the big one, 36 inches by 36 inches. You can order it at our website, axionprint.com.
You can also do custom sizes or print your logo on it. Just give us a call or email us.